Okay, hey scholars, we're going to be filling in our science notebook today. And we're going to be talking about the rapid changes on the Earth's surface. If you would please turn to page 29. Record your date in the corner. And our title is going to be Forces of Nature. Okay, we're going to make a T-chart. Okay, over here we're going to talk about geological forces of nature, and over here meteorological forces of nature. Okay, geological happen on land or on Earth. Meteorological happen in the air or in the atmosphere. Okay, under geological we're going to list earthquake, volcano, tsunami, and landslide. And under meteorological, we're going to talk about tornadoes, hurricane, flood, and wildfire. Please record this information in your journal. You can pause it for now and write that all in. And then we're going to turn to page 30 and add in some more information. We're now on page 30. Be sure you add the date. And our title here is Earthquake Model. And what I want you to do is to get your journal ready for your observations that you're going to record after we look at our earthquake model tomorrow in class. Okay? So here's a picture you're going to draw of before any force being applied. Okay? Then you're going to make a prediction of when a weak force is applied. I predict, and you can leave that blank, and we'll talk about it tomorrow, and that way you can just fill it in class. And then down here, you're going to put when a strong force is applied, I predict. Okay? And then that way you're just going to have your complete journal entry ready to go, and we'll show you the model tomorrow, and then we can fill it in right after we look at the model. Okay? Pause the video now and get all this data into your journal. Okay, now if you could go to page 31, put in the date. Okay, we are going to create a journal entry for our volcano model. Okay, first we need to draw a mountain. Okay, and I want you to label the peak and the base of the mountain. Okay, and then we're going to draw a volcano before the eruption. Okay, and we'll have a top that's going to have an opening called a crater, and we still have the base. And then if you'll just put the title of volcano model erupting, after we get to do the experiment tomorrow, we'll draw in that together. So pause the video and get all of this done onto page 31, please. On to page 32. Record the date, and your title is Landslides. Okay. Here you're just going to ask some focus questions, and we will record your answers after we do our parts in class. Okay, we're going to have where landslides happen, what causes landslides, what changes occur on the surface, and what types of energy or forces are involved. Okay, so pause the video and get all of this recorded into your journal on page 32, and we will be doing our observations and experiments throughout the week.